Colonies typically swarm because it's their natural way to reproduce. If they feel they are crowded in their hive, then they will want to swarm. Some came off. There's still some up there though. Most of them fell into the box, and it was obvious when they were in there that they were scenting, so we knew the queen was in there. Some of them were still on the branch, so we gave it another shake, and quite a few went in. That's a new hive. It's a new colony. It has a queen, so they'll be able to thrive with that. So we'll move that box to another location, a better location, rather than staying on the top of a ladder.